Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit a TikTok video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the CapCut application, and whenever you're on a page section, you just need to create a new project here if you haven't had any project yet, and you just need to choose which video that you want to add to for your TikTok account or TikTok content. But now I would like to show you with my previous project. So here I already have the videos. So I would like to use this video for TikTok, but before we use this as a TikTok needs or TikTok content, we just need to adjust in the ratio. We know that the TikTok have like a ratio that full screen in a portrait mode, so we just need to change it by go click this ratio. And after that, the CapCut's already prepared to you the ratio for the TikTok content, which is this one, 9:16. You just need to click it. And now what we have to do now is adjusting the video to fill in all of the frame. So you just need to click the clip until it is in active mode, and then you just need to drag with your two finger, pinch it and make sure that it's fulfilling all of the screen. And you can also adjust the positions right there. And after you're done, you just need to click anywhere randomly, and now all of the screen is already fulfilled. So if you only do this, it's not interactive at all. So at least we need to add several information on it, like some quotes probably. So how to add it, just need to go into the text, and after that go add text. And now you just need to go click or type what you want to have. You can also adjusting the font too, and after that you can also do the styling. And after you're done with everything, you just need to click done and adjusting the positions too. And after that, you can also add several audios by go into the audio, click add sounds, and you just need to access the music that you want to add to into your project. Hold on, let's just go randomly, click add, and now we can also adjust in the length of this clip or the audios. Make sure you stop in the last position, and after that click split and delete the rest. And now we already have the video for the TikTok. You just need to export this video, and now you can just directly share into your TikTok and follow all of the instructions. So that's the way how to edit TikTok video on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.